Good day, everyone. We are Group 4 from Bachelor of Science Industrial Technology Program, major in HBACR. Today, we will be presenting a comprehensive discussion on topic that is very important in today's modern world. Careers in computing, emerging technologies, and the Internet of Things industrial technology. As industries evolve and factories move towards automation and digitalization, the role of computing and technologies become more important. Industrial technology is no longer limited to manual processes. It now includes programming, data analytics, robotics, and smart devices. We will cover four major sections. First is careers in computing relevant to industrial technology. Second, emerging technologies transferring today's industries. Third, the Internet of Things and its role in industrial settings. Fourth is reflection and conclusion on the future direction of our field.
Good day. We were going to tackle section 1. Are you ready? Here we go. Section 1. Careers in computing relevant to industrial technology. Industrial technology now intersects with computing, opening up a wide range of high-demand careers. These careers require both technical skills like wiring, troubleshooting, and machine maintenance, and digital skills like programming, networking, and data analysis. Number 1. Industrial Automation Engineer. Let's begin with the career of an industrial automation engineer. This professional design, install, and maintain automated systems. They work with technologies like PLCs, programmer logic controller, SCADA systems, robotics, actuators, and sensors, industrial control networks. And this is the meaning of that. PLCs, programmer logic controller, is small industrial computers that control machines and processes. SCADA systems, software that lets operator monitor and control industrial equipment, a central screen. Robotics, programmable machines that do tasks like welding, assembly, or packaging. Actuators and sensors. Sensors collect information. Actuators move parts or control equipment based on that info. And lastly, industrial control networks. Communication system that connect all automation devices so they can work together. Automation engineers create logic that tells machines what to do. For example, in a bottling plant, a PLC controls the conveyor belt, the filter machine, and the capping mechanism. 2. Robotics technician, mechatronics specialist. A second career is the robotic technician or mechatronics specialist. They work with robotic arms, collaborative robots or cobots, CNC machines, and automated guide vehicles. Their responsibilities include robot calibration, motor and servo tuning, preventive maintenance, and troubleshooting sensor and controllers. This is the short explanation of this example. Robot calibration, adjusting robots so they move accurately and follow the correct paths. Motor and servo tuning, setting motors and servo system to run smoothly, precisely, and at the right speed. Preventive maintenance, regularly checking and servicing equipment to avoid breakdowns. Troubleshooting, sensors and controllers finding and fixing problems in sensors, controllers, and other automation devices. In example, in automotive manufacturing, robots lift heavy parts and perform repetitive action like welding. Number 3. Data analyst, industrial data technician. Industries today generate massive amount of data, and this create a demand for industrial data analysis. These professionals use software such as Python, SQL, Power BI, or Tableau, machine learning models. This is the explanation of this example. Python, a programming language used to analyze data, automate tasks, and build applications. SQL or structured query language, a language for storing, searching, and managing data in database. Power BI or Tableau, tools used to turn data into charts, dashboards, and easy to understand visual reports. And lastly, machine learning models, computer model that learn from data to make predictions or detect patterns. They analyze machine logs, production data, and energy usage. Example, predicting when a machine will fail, finding which processes cause product defects, and then identifying bottlenecks in production lines. Number 4. Industrial Network and System Technician. Another kicker is the industrial IT or network technician. They manage industrial networks such as Ethernet or IP, DeviceNet, Modbus, and ProfitNet. This is the short explanation of this example. Ethernet or IP, a fast Ethernet-based network used in factories to connect PLCs, sensors, and machines. DeviceNet, a network that links simple devices like sensors and actuators to controllers. Modbus, a widely used communication protocol that lets different industrial devices share data. And lastly, ProfitNet, a high-speed industrial network used for real-time communication between automation equipment. These networks connect the PLCs, sensors, robots, and HMIs and SCADA. This role ensures machines communicate safely and securely. As factories become more connected, cybersecurity also becomes part of this job. Number 5. IoT specialist or Internet of Things specialist or embedded systems technician. The final career will highlight is the IoT specialist. This role focuses on creating and maintaining smart systems. They work with wireless sensors, microcontrollers, cloud platforms, and edge computing devices. This example have short explanation. Wireless sensors. Sensors that send data without cables, making installation easier and more flexible. Microcontrollers. Small, low-power computers used to control devices and collect sensor data. Cloud platforms, online systems that store data and run applications over the internet. And lastly, edge computing devices, devices that process data near the machine of sensor, reducing delay and improving speed. They install sensors that detect vibration, temperature, humidity, or machine health. These sensors communicate to a cloud system that gives real-time information. As we can see, computing significantly expands the opportunities in the field of industrial technology. And that's all about section 1. I hope you understand and enjoy. Now, let us look at the emerging technologies that are shaping today's industries.
Hello, I can certainly explain the report for Section 2, Emerging the Technologies in Industrial Industry. The report discusses 6 key emerging technologies driving Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution, which integrates digital technologies like AI, IoT, and cloud computing to create smart factories. Industry 4.0 is the current trend of automation and data exchange in manufacturing technologies. The report highlights that it integrates several digital technologies into industry, including automation. Automation is using technology to perform tasks with minimal human intervention. Number 2. Artificial intelligence or AI. AI systems that can simulate human intelligence to perform tasks like learning and problem solving. Robotics. Robotics that use of machines that carry out physical tasks, often in highly precision, dangerous, or repetitive environment. Number 4. Internet of Things or IoT. IoT is a network of physical device with sensor, software, and other technologies that connect the exchange data over the internet. Cyber-physical system. Cyber-physical system mechanism controlled by computing-based algorithm tightly integrated with the internet and its users. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services including including servers, storage, database, networking, softwares, analytics, and intelligence over the internet, the cloud. These technologies enable smart factories or machine communicate and make decisions with minimal human supervision. Number 2. Artificial intelligence or AI. AI is becoming widely used in industrial things. The report covers three main applications. Quality inspection. AI camera detects defects in a product with greater accuracy than humans. For example, in electronics manufacturing, computer vision is used to detect micro defects. Number 2. Predictive maintenance. AI analyze that da- data predictive maintenance. AI analyzes data like vibration and temperature for machines to predict potential failure. For, for instance, power plants use AI to predict turbine failures, allowing maintenance to be scheduled before breakdown occurs. Number 3. Optimization. AI adjusts operations such as production, schedule, energy usage, and inventory levels to maximize efficiency and reduce costs. Number 3. Robotics and automation. The use of robotics has rapidly expanded in factories. The report distinguish between several types of industrial robots. Number 1. Industrial robots, high speed, high precision. Traditional robots designed for heavy duty, fast, and highly accurate repetitive tasks. Number 2. Collaborative robots or cobots, safe for working beside humans. Robot designed that interact with humans, workers in a shared workspace, prioritizing safety. Mobile robots or AGVs, automate, automated guided vehicles. Robot or vehicles that can move materials autonomously within a facility. Number 4. Robotics Process Automation or RPA. Software robots that automate repetitive, rules-based digital tasks. Example provided included Amazon using over 200,000 warehouse robots, Tesla using robotics arms for car assembly, and the chicken processing plant using robot for packing and cutting. Number 4. Augmented reality or AR and virtual reality or VR. These immersive technologies are used to enhance training and performance. Maintenance training. Worker can train in a risk-free, simulated environment or receive real-time guidance overlaid into the physical world. Number 2. Remote supervision. Expert can guide on-site technician remotely by viewing the technician's perspective through their AI AR glasses and overlaying real-time instruction. Number 3. Virtual walkthrough or factories. Planning and layout can be optimized by virtually exploring the facility. The result is, is that these tools reduce mistake and improve worker training. Number 5. Digital twins. A digital twin is a virtual copy of physical machine, process, or system. Engineers use these twins to simulate and test scenarios before applying them to the real world. Machine performance, monitoring and optimizing how a machine operates virtually. Number 2. Product lines layout, testing the efficiency of different factory floor arrangement. Number 3. Process improvement, simulating change to a process to see the effects of output without disrupting the actual production line. Example include Airbus and Boeing using digital twins to simulate aircraft parts before production, and factories using them to test new automation system without having to stop the real machine. Additive manufacturing 3D printing. 3D printing is the process of creating a three-dimensional solid object from a digital model. In industry, it's used for quick prototypes, rapidly producing models to test design, customize machine parts, creating specific, often complex part as needed. Factories no longer need to wait for part to ship and can instead print them on demand. This significantly reduces downtime and improve flexibility in the supply chain. In summary, the report notes that this emerging technology, AR, VR, digital twins, and 3D printing, create more efficient, safer, and smart industrial system. It includes by mentioning the Internet of Things or IoT as the key technology that ties them all together.
Internet of Things in industrial technology. What is IoT? IoT refers to network of connected devices that can collect and share data in industrial settings. First, sensors. Device that detect and measure physical conditions such as temperature, motion, light, pressure, or humidity and convert them into data machines or system can understand. Second, RFID tags. Small electronic tags used to identify truck objects using radio waves that they can be scanned without direct contact, commonly used in ID cards, inventory tracking, and security system. Third is smart meters. Digital devices that measure and record the use of resources such as electricity, water, or gas. They send real-time data to providers and users, helping improve monitoring, billing accuracy, and energy efficient. 5. Smart cameras. Cameras with built-in processing power can analyze image or video on their own, for example, detecting faces, counting people, or identifying object instead of just recording footage. 6 is edge computing boxes. Small, powerful computer placed close to where data is generated, like near machine, camera, or sensors. They process data locally instead of sending everything to the cloud, which reduces delay and improves performance. Industrial application of IoT. A. Smart factories. IoT sensor monitoring condition in real time. First, temperature. How hot or cold something is measured, the level of heat in the air, surface, or an object. Second, vibration. Is shaking or continuous back and forth movement. Machines, engines, and structure often produce vibration when they operate. Third, humidity. The amount of moisture, water vapor in air. High humidity means the air feels wet and sticky. Low humidity means the air is dry. Predictive maintenance. Machine can sense when a part is wearing out. For example, a vibration sensor detects a falling motor bearing. A temperature sensor detects overheating. Before the machine breaks down, maintenance teams are alerted. RFID for inventory. Using RFID tags and readers to track products or items automatically in a warehouse store. Next, GPS trackers for fleets. Devices placed in vehicle, trucks, van, etc. that use GPS to track in real-time location. Company used to monitor routines, improve delivery times, and enhance fleet safety and efficiency. Barcode scanner tool that read barcodes or products to quickly retrieve information such as price, item name, or stock level. Commonly used in supermarkets, warehouse, and retail store. For automated warehouse robot designed to move, pick, sort, or transport goods inside a warehouse without human control. They speed accuracy and efficiency in logistic and inventory operation. D. Management. D. Energy management. Smart meters measure electricity usage in real time. These help factories reduce energy waste, loss cost, and plan machine schedule better. E. Safety monitoring. IoT sensors can detect first, gas leak. When gas escape from pipes, tanks, and equipment, this can be dangerous because it means explosion, fires, and health problems. Second, excessive heat. When the temperature of a machine, device, or area becomes higher than safe or normal levels, this can be signal equipment failure, overheating, or potential fire risk. Third, unsafe machine behavior. When a machine operates in a way that is normal, not safe, unpredictable, such as moving incorrectly, making unusual noises, or not following program instruction. This often indicates malfunction or danger to workers. Fourth, worker location monitoring in hazardous areas. Using tracking system like badges, sensors, or GPS to know where workers when then enter dangerous zone. This helps ensure safety, quick emergency, and compliance with safety rules. Benefits of IoT: reduce downtime, lower the amount of time machine or system are stopped or not working. This means operation run more smoothly and consistently. Second, increase productivity. Help workers or machine do more work in less time. Overall output goes up because processes become faster and more efficient. Third, enable real-time decision making. Provides information immediately so decision can be made on the spot without waiting. It helps solve problem faster and improves responsiveness. Fourth, improves product quality. Help ensure that products are made correctly and consistently with fewer defects or errors. 5. Supports automations. Make it easier for machine and system to perform tasks automatically without human intervention. This leads to faster and more reliable operations. Challenges of IoT. First, cybersecurity threats. Risk that digital system could be hacked, damaged, and assisted by unauthorized people. Example include malware, ransomware, data theft, or system breaches. Second, high installation cost. The initial cost to set up system or technology is expensive. This may include equipment, software, wiring, hardware, or labor. Third, need for a skilled technician. Trained, experienced professionals are required to install, operate, or maintain the system. Without them, the technology may not work properly. Fourth, network compatibility issues. When new device or system do not easily connect and work existing network infrastructure, this can cause communication problems, delay, or required extra upgrades. Lastly, data privacy concern. Worry, worries about how sensitive information is collected, stored, used, or shared. There is a risk that personal or company data could be exposed or misused. And conclusion. Summary. In summary, computing is now deeply integrated into industrial technology. The careers we discuss: automation engineering, robotics, data analytics, network system, and IoT development are among fastest growing field today. Impact of emerging technologies. Industrial 4.0 technologies like AI, robotics, digital twins, and augmented reality are making factories smarter and more efficient. IoT ties all of these systems together and allows machine to communicate automatically. Future direction. The future of industrial technology will involve more human-robot collaboration. Workers will not replace, but rather equipment with better tools, data, and automation that supports their tasks. Skills from future. As industrial technology major, it is important for us to learn. First, basic programming. Understanding how write simple code using programming language like Python, C, or Java to create programs or solve problems. Troubleshooting automation system. Finding and fixing problems in automated machines or systems such as robot production lines or control system. Third, understanding sensor network. Knowing how different sensor, temperature, motion, pressure, and etc. are connected and work together to collect shared data. Data analysis. Examining and interpreting data to find patterns, trends, or useful information for decision making. 5. Be aware to how computers network and data from threats like hacking, viruses, and phishing attacks. That is cybersecurity awareness. This skill will be make us competitive in modern industries. We hope this presentation have provided a clear understanding how computing emerging technologies and IoT sharing today industrial. Thank you very much for your time and attention.